When you think of a tourbillon, you probably imagine a fragile dress watch, not a hardcore diver. But Yema has just rewritten the rules. Meet the Superman Tourbillon Millésime CMM.31, a professional-grade tool watch that fuses French watchmaking heritage with true haute horlogerie. Crafted from grade 5 titanium, the case measures 43 millimeters by 11.7 millimeters, with vertical brushing and polished bevels for a technical yet refined look. A double-domed sapphire crystal, bi-directional ceramic bezel, and 200 meters of water resistance ensure this Superman lives up to its ISO 6425 dive watch standards. The fine-grained dial is all about legibility, with polished steel hands and luminous BGW9 indices. At 6 o'clock, the tourbillon cage itself carries a luminous running seconds hand, turning a functional diver's necessity into a hypnotic design feature. Inside beats Yema's brand-new caliber manufacture Morto 31, developed with Olivier Maury and built in France. This hand-wound tourbillon is adjusted in 6 positions, accurate to between -3 and +7 seconds a day, and boasts a massive 105-hour power reserve. Reinforced with shock absorbers and non-magnetic parts, it's built to withstand up to 5 Gs of impact. An incredible achievement for such a delicate complication. Turn it over, and the sapphire caseback reveals haute horlogerie finishing, polished bevels, reworked bridges, and beautifully decorated wheels. Proof that this Superman is as refined as it is rugged. Limited to just 100 pieces, the Yema Superman Tourbillon Millésime CMM.31 will retail at €12,000, with pre-orders opening in September 2025. A professional diver with a French-made tourbillon, Yema has created something truly unexpected. Would you take a tourbillon underwater? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more of the boldest innovations in watchmaking.